let's not go by anecdotal this thing or be wary if one temple does caste discrimination out of 500,000 temples, right? Anecdotal. Number two, there already are laws that prevent discrimination. They might not be followed, but they are on paper. If you feel that a private organization, which is what a temple would be away from the state control, it's like a private company, Adani, Ambani. If there is caste discrimination happening there, somebody goes to court. And I've already advocated a temple should float itself on the stock exchange. You know, people want that temple to succeed, want to get more money.
Transparency आ जाती है.
Transparency आएगी, वो उनको जब पैसे मिलेंगे through the stock market, they would become richer, they would start more schools, colleges, they would prosper.
It's a radical way of looking at it, but I think it's kind of
it is another way of looking at it. Why not?
Okay, when
In
you
fact,
say when you use
radical.
radical and mean the same
Free
sentence,
radical, okay.
हाँ, free radical chemist वाला
Free
कह सकते
market.
हो. लेकिन एक बात जो आपने कही ना, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन पे लोग जो हमेशा हिंदूज को बोगी बना देते हैं, आई पोज अ वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल क्वेश्चन. ये डू यू नो दैट दलित सिख्स कैनॉट जॉइन द ऑफिशियल सिख रेजिमेंट? देयर इज अ स्पेशल लाइट आर्टिलरी फॉर देम.
सिखलाएं.
तब कहाँ जाता है डिस्क्रिमिनेशन भाई? ये सब जो चढ़ चढ़ के बोल रहे हैं RCW40 या जितने भी लोग हैं, वी स्टैंड फॉर दिस भारत माता, तब डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं दिख रही आपको? Nobody is willing to answer it. तब एक्सक्यूज क्या आ जाता है कि हम कम्युनिटी को साथ लेके चलते हैं. तो मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि गढ़वाल रेजिडेंट में अता हुसैन कैसे आ गए भाई?
नहीं,
वो कौन से गढ़वाली?
नहीं यार देखो.
I'm just taking.
It's wrong. You're taking the wrong example.
It's a wrong example.
Can we keep the forge out of it? Yeah.
No. One second.
That's why I said. I want to be very sensitive while dealing with this question.
Okay.
This needs to be discussed.
No,
We
so
can't leave
let me
everything.
discuss it
I'll
with
just
you,
finish
na?
the question. and
अच्छा.
then- Yes, just finish.
तूने क्वेश्चन रेज किया था, आई एम डिस्कसिंग इट विद यू.
Wait, but sensitively because I'm choosing my words.
आई एम वेरी सेंसिटिव.
मैं एक बार finish कर लूँ बस.
अच्छा.
Why should there
Sometimes हो
be
जाता
two regiments, okay, where one would not admit bona fide Sikhs? I believe that is discrimination. Now, and I say it with tremendous respect for everyone.
So one, the regimental structure was such that it was based on community, so that it's a cohesive structure. Now, for example, in some units, there will be, I think it's the Rajputana Rifles, if I'm not mistaken, there is a mix of Jats and Rajputs. So within the same battalion, there will be Jat troops and Rajput troops. So they work together, do everything together, but within their own platoons or their own structures, they are separate and yet together. The reason is the cohesiveness of the unit. The same thing is in the case of some of the Sikh battalions. So there is the Sikhlai infantry, which is basically Mazhabi Sikhs. Incidentally, many of them are doing very well, right? Financially and otherwise. And then there is the Sikh regiment, and then there is this Punjab regiment, which is basically Jat Sikh and other people. When you conflate it with how General Ata Hasnain is part of the Garhwal Rifle, he's not a Garhwali, yeah. It's the same way, like my brother-in-law was a Sikhlai officer, right? He is not a Mazhabi Sikh, and yet the officer level is above all this, which is why you will see within the same unit, you will see a Gurdwara, a Masjid, a Mandir, within the same, or a church, in the same room, you will see all,
now that we are talking about Fauj, can we talk about Pakistan?
Our Fauj is very different from Pakistani Fauj.
I'm not finished क्योंकि अब मेरे पास वो 4 राउंड के बाद आएगा जब मैं
नहीं तेरे पास.
अच्छा, I'm going to start with you only now.
ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे लोग सब कह चुके होंगे.
हाँ, ये देख.
Yeah, he's winking like that ISPR chief, who winked at the press conference.
कह चुके होंगे वो सारा, तो मैं पहले ही कहना चाहता हूँ.
Have you got a
fellow Punjabi? देख लो.
तुम दोनों की बात कर रहा था.
नहीं.
Did the camera get his wink?
Let us sort this out once and
Delete कर देना उसको.
Let us sort this out once and for all.
There's nothing to sort out.
Teenal sutrapun ullarum.
Sure.
Arade navinal sutravarum.
ठीक है.
What is the translation of this Tirukural?
I like
जो तू बोल रहा है ठीक है. मान ली तेरी बात.
बता दे.
बता रहा हूँ, मौका देना. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen,
ये
oxygen,
देखा?
fluorine, neon,
ये
sodium,
देखा?
magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur,
पूरा
chlorine,
he
argon,
doesn't
potassium,
even
calcium,
know-
sodium,
he doesn't
selenium,
even know
chromium, manganese,
Tirupur
iron,
है.
cobalt, nickel,
What
copper,
kind
zinc,
of a
gallium,
Tamil-
अभी रुक
arsenic,
जाओ,
selenium,
Tirupur
bromine,
है.
krypton, rubidium, strontium, deuterium, nickel, और कितना सुनेगा?
हाँ, ये नहीं. But this
Okay, moving on swiftly.
ये
भगवान,
नहीं.
you know, this is a
ये यार
nightmare
full
I have.
fraud Tamil है.
Periodic
Tell me how many of you had this nightmare? Periodic table.
मैं तब तक वहां पहुंचा ही नहीं मैं पहले निकल आया
बाप रे.
ये hydrogen
You know,
bomb बाहर निकल-
nightmare.
I used to wake up in a cold sweat because I didn't know the valency and
Yeah.
this thing and all of
To
that.
balance
My
those
God.
equations and to know कि किसका कितना है. ओए भगवान.
But I know it only till Lawrentium, which was 103. अब और आगे elements आ गए.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
इशू टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.